So I'm going to set this up and run a little test on here. Let's just plug this directly in. I've got a Sennheiser E935. I'm going to use a 1/4 inch adapter here. Nice spring-loaded adapter. And I'm going to plug it into this old 8-inch speaker on this little bass amp that came with something. You can see it is working good with no latency. Let's see how far I can go down the street without losing anything here. I'm going to put my lapel mic over by the speaker. There we go. One thing I did want to point out, this is made of plastic. It's very lightweight. If you're a singer who's walking around without a mic stand, you want to be very careful not to drop this. That's one of the first things I'm thinking of. As far, you can probably put this in a mic stand, no problem. I wouldn't worry about this one bit. But let's test out the distance. Here we go. Let's start walking. I got to be quiet so my neighbors don't think I'm weird. 30 feet. I'm at 40 feet. Probably at 50 feet. 60 feet. 70 feet. 80 feet. I think I'm about 100 feet. I'm actually out under the road by my house. So let's see if when I play this back, we have any distortion or noise. Pretty good distance. I got trees, fences, dogs barking, all kinds of stuff going on. Hear me walking through the leaves. Coming back, coming back. Any breakup, any distortion? And we're back. Pretty cool. I'm back with a lapel mic on, so there you go. Cool concept. Lightweight, easy to use. For me, this is going to be great for band practice. Obviously, I play a lot of small venues, small clubs. So it's good to have one less wire to trip over. Multiple uses. I like it.